Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to hide following list on TikTok account. So this is a very simple process, so just make sure you logged in your account and open the app and come to the this profile section. Click here. So hiding your following list is a very essential if you don't want to show your following list to everyone. So just need to follow this simple step to turn off this option and hide your following list. So just for that you just need to click on this three dot here and go for the privacy settings and privacy option. Just click here and you have multiple option here, so just go for the privacy option because it's a privacy thing we are doing here. So just click on privacy and just scroll a bit and you can see here the option is following list. So his by default is everyone, so everybody can see who are you following and they easily can track your data. So you just need to click here and here's a two option here who can see your following list, and you can click on only me option. So for that, if you click on this only me option, choose whether to publicly show your following list. If you select only me, other users will only see your mutual friends. So here you can see that only they will only see your mutual friend, but they even can't see all your friends that you are following on TikTok account. So this is how you can do it. This is a very simple process. So this is how you can hide your following list on TikTok account. So I hope if you found this video very helpful, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.